Hi guys, let's unbox this Lefon cookware collection I got from China. 5 pieces set. Let's unbox it and see the quality. I fixed the quality of it. If today is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button so you become part of this amazing family. You can also go through my page. You may need a solution to your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I use this to cook. The non-stick, so durable, so quality.